Hey, hello guys, my name is How to Tech Simplified and today I'm going to show you how you can create decals on Roblox. It's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. Now the first thing, of course, open up your preferred browser on your PC, head down to roblox.com, and from there we want to go to the top left corner where we see create. Now we open up the create tab, and from here we want to go to the left where we find creations. Inside creations we hop onto the development items right here, and here we see a tab called decals. Now in the decals we can upload an asset which has the next format you can see in the middle, so a JPEG file, a PNG, a TAG or a BMP, and it shouldn't exceed 20 megabytes. Now here we upload the asset, here upload the image of your liking. Simply let's go to the download real quick, GTA 5. Now here you can name it, you can make a description, and from there we can upload the decal. And as you can see, the description was moderated, so we need to use a different description, press upload, and from there your decal should be visible right here, as you can see. Now you can use it for whatever you want. Now if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me a lot, and thank you for watching.